a wana re phela re thabile re na di stress re tshwane le mapirate ba drawile mabane re win
So have a drawile ka mkholi ke yao.
ao a ke sore ke aka ke no re fela ba no shiananyana mara after game ya obiti ba mfa league e leng ya
Yeah, o remember.
Nakiri wabona cup le la league lizosuka la likhona liziye le Torkop lona ngokwalo liyo la likhaya lela cup la leyazi indawo yalo yabona le star lesi asibone le star lesi khona sesithuwe siza la ngicabanga ukuthi ngithathe lesi si1 ngisinike laba abanganaso
Uba abubani labo?
khona laba abanganaso inkinga masibabisa ngegama kubangathi yabadelela yabo
amakhosi asibadelele
amakhosi sithathe lesi si1 sipanike nathi sisale ngesi1
Bathi star sabo sezesisimos.
sezethisi thina sifuna lesi siphezulu kwebedge
Okay.
yeah so at least masingabanikeli i1 izo balance yabona nawe
So manje you going to Morocco second leg. How do you feel about that one?
ya Morocco yo ka re tlo tshwenyanyana khosa re sure ho tlo ilalang teng a re itse ro dlala bolo ro dlala UFC mara na re yakwa re lata star ro dlala bolo re lata star re ya simple.
Thank you so much. Member wena?
member wa bona nna ke re ne bafana ba baltsiba bolo and ba tlotla ba tlo dira ntwe ba itsibang Star size South Africa as a team emeli South Africa siyabezwa bayakhuluma bathi kenze njani thina sikhuluma nabo thina simeli South Africa mngani wami laba bathi bathathilika thina someli South Africa sithathe Star sethu ngiyabona.
So you're man of the match for today?
Keanu Cupido.
Wena member?
Nna ke tlo re ke Adams.
Adams ne. Thank you so much member. Sharp ne.